Hi guys, welcome back to Pele's in a Pod. This is our last sighting video for the Klaserie Private Nature Reserve series, and we hope you enjoy this one. It is a beautiful big herd of buffaloes stampeding their way to the watering hole right outside our camp. What a beautiful and rare sighting this is. Absolutely incredible. Please do excuse the shaky footage and the noise of the wind. We experienced a very windy afternoon back at camp. But we hope you enjoy this one, Pele Pod Squad. I hope you're enjoying the footage, and here's some fun facts about buffaloes. So did you know that the collective term for a group of buffalo is called a herd, but it can also be called a gang or a troop? The main predator of buffaloes is a lion, and it can actually take quite a few lions to bring down an adult buffalo. But a buffalo will fiercely defend themselves and are capable of even killing a lion. Buffaloes are actually excellent swimmers and won't hesitate to cross a river or escape a predator and to reach new grazing lands. Buffaloes are bulk feeders as they need to eat large amounts of grass to sustain their body, and in fact they have 4-chambered stomachs and also need to drink around 40 liters of water per day to keep their digestive systems operating optimally. And this also ensures that they provide enough saliva to swallow and regurgitate their food for rechewing. So why are buffaloes part of the Big Five? Well, in fact, they were considered to be one of the most dangerous species to hunt. Buffalo herds are normally placid, although some of the old bulls in the herds tend to be easily angered and prone to charge when disturbed. In fact, the buffaloes are known to be the mafia of the bush. They have a tendency to take revenge when messed with and have been known to circle back, stalk, and attack or kill hunters. Talk about the hunter becoming the hunted.
Ja, ja.
So we're just at camp, and don't know if you can see, but there's an entire herd of buffalo at the watering hole. Absolutely amazing and stunning. And this is definitely one of the big five, so a beautiful sighting and quite rare.